Your take on these results, because investors seem to be not so impressed.
Well, it's absolutely impressive. Almost every line item you go across is either better or very nearly same as what it was last quarter. And I think the big thing for me to call out is the more personal computing sector. It grew in double digits. It was, it grew 2% the quarter before, -1 before, -1 the one before. So, I mean, all in all, very good numbers.
What do you think accounts for that increase in the personal computing? Because, as you mentioned, those were pretty modest increases in the previous quarters, and analysts were looking for flat growth there.
One of the things I read in the release, and we'll learn more about it on the call, is there was some increased volume of multi-year agreements and more mixed of, higher value products that mostly in the Windows commercial products that could have, is I think one of the reasons why this is so strong.
Anurag, intelligent cloud revenue, $7.9 billion. How are they hanging in there versus Amazon in this race? And of course, in the announcement for Amazon, Jeff Bezos talking about that big multi-year head start that the company got over its competitors.
So, I mean, that's the one thing is very true. Amazon is ahead of others when it comes to the base cloud revenue. But, look at Microsoft's growing very nicely. In fact, Azure, which is their, cloud infrastructure as a service product, grew 89% in constant currency. Again, very strong this time. I mean, it has been in the high 80s and the high 90s for a while. Amazon Web Services grew in the high 40s this time, so very similar to what they have been doing. In fact, even they accelerated. And that's something we've been talking about, that, we think this year is going to be a very strong year for cloud because we think there's a lot of pent-up demand as well as more discretionary dollars to spend on software.